Hi friends, welcome back to Learn from Scratch. So what are we going to do today? We are going to solve chain rule problems on time and work. Here the highlighted formulas are the formulas we will use. Here P is equals to number of persons, D is number of days, H is number of hours, W is work done. As we know, to complete a work, if the number of workers increase, then the number of days to complete the work will be decreased. So number of workers is inversely proportional to number of days. In the similar way, number of workers is inversely proportional to number of hours. From these two, we can conclude that P1 by P2 is equals to D2 by D1 into H2 by H1 as they are inversely proportional. From this equation, we can say that P1 into D1 into H1 is equals to P2 into D2 into H2. This is the formula we'll use mostly. And as we know, the work is directly proportional, work done is directly proportional to number of persons and is directly proportional to number of days and is also directly proportional to number of hours. From this we can say that W1 by W2 is equals to P1 into D1 into H1 divided by P2 into D2 into H2. Here is the first question. If 24 workers working 6 hours a day can finish a piece of work in 14 days, if each worker works 7 hours a day, find the number of workers to finish the same piece of work in 8 days. Here we can get the values of P1, H1, D1, H2 and D2 from the question. Here P1 is equals to 24 and H1 is equals to 6 and D1 is equals to 14 and we have to find the P2. H2 is 7 and D2 is 8. By substituting the values in the formula, P1 into D1 into H1 is equals to P2 into D2 into H2, will get the value of P2. Here by P2 is equals to 24 into 14 into 6 by 8 into 7, that is equals to 36. Here this is the required value. P2 is equals to 36. Here, if 12 painters can paint a wall of 180 meter long in 3 days, how many painters are required to paint 200 meter long wall in 5 days? Here we can get the values of W1, D1, P1, W2 and D2 from the question, and we have to find the value of P2. From the question, W1 is equals to work done for 180 meter long wall and D1 is equals to 3 days and P1 is equals to 12 painters or 12 workers and W2 is equals to work done for 200 meter long wall, D2 is equals to 5 days and P2 we have to find. From the formula W1 by W2 is equals to P1 into D1 into H1 by P2 into D2 into H2. Here we doesn't have H values, so ignore H. So W1 by W2 is equals to P1 into D1 by P2 into D2. 180 by 200 is equals to 12 into 3 by P2 into 5. From this we can find the value of P2. P2 is equals to 8. Here 12 examiners work 16 hours a day to check 24,000 answer sheets in 18 days. Now 24 examiners would check how many answer sheets working 6 hours a day in 36 days. Here we can get the values of W1, P1, D1, H1, P2 and D1 and H2 from the question. We have to find the W2, that is the number of pages. So from the formula W1 by W2 is equals to P1 into D1 into H1 by P2 into D2 into H2. Substituting the values, that is 12 into 18 into 16 by 24 into 36 into 6 is equals to 24,000 by W2. By solving this we can get W2 is equals to 36,000 pages.